Hello dear students, welcome to Genic Education. So read the question. This question is based upon the parallel operation of the transformer. Here two identical single phase transformer are connected in parallel. Okay. So two single phase transformer A and B having equal voltage ratio are running in parallel and supply a load of 1000 ampere at 0.8 power factor lagging. The equivalent impedance of transformer are given in the absolute quantities, that is the 2 plus j3 ohm and 2 plus j3 ohm. The equivalent impedance of transformer A and the equivalent impedance of transformer B is 2.5 plus j5 ohm respectively. Calculate current supplied by each transformer. So this question is based upon the parallel operation of the transformer. You know the necessary condition of the parallel operation and also the desired condition of the parallel operation. So if two transformers are connected in parallel and they are supplying a common load, then there must be a power shared, the kVA shared by two individual transformers. So how to find the kVA shared by two individual transformer? So in order to find the kVA shared by each individual transformer, what we have to do? We have to find the equivalent circuit of the transformer. So equivalent circuit of the transformer. Suppose this one is the secondary of the first transformer A. So the secondary side terminal voltage is E2A and this one is your equivalent impedance. Correct? Now this one is the secondary side of the transformer B and this one is your equivalent impedance, and here a load is connected and this load is consuming power from these two transformers, and in this case suppose the load voltage is IL and this one is your IA and this one is your IB. Okay, so since we have to maintain the potential in the two transformer is same, otherwise circulating current will flow. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? E2A must be equal to E2B, otherwise circulating current will flow and the transformer winding will damage because the circulating current is very huge. Are you getting my point? So हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? E2A, that means the voltage ratio must be same and the transformer voltage rating must be equal. Okay, so इसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ये इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट को हम ये फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. क्या है? दैट इज दिस वन इज द वोल्टेज सोर्स इन दिस वन इज द equivalent voltage in the secondary side. This one is a common load. Okay, here E2A is there. ये क्या है? IA IB. Okay, and इसको हम क्या करेंगे? ZA ZB. ZA and ZB are the equivalent. ZA and ZB are the impedance of the transformer A and transformer B with respect to the secondary side. Okay, and this one is 1000 ampere and the load power factor is how much? Load is operating at 0.8 power factor, so the current value will be 1000. The power factor angle will be 36.86 and as it is a case of lagging power factor, तो हम क्या लेंगे? नेगेटिव लेंगे, -36.86. ये है लोड. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ आपको पता है कि लोड शेयर्ड बाय टू इंडिविजुअल ट्रांसफार्मर इज गिवन बाय द लोड शेयर, द केवीए शेयर्ड बाय द ट्रांसफार्मर ए इज इक्वल टू SL into SL is the load KVA is equal to SL times ZB by ZA plus ZB and SB क्या होगा? SB is equal to SL times of ZA plus ZB. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? ये है फॉर्मूला. But in this case, I am not interested about the load shared by the KVA. Just they have asked the just they have asked the current supplied by each transformer, that is transformer A and transformer B. So how to solve this question, how to approach this question? This formula came from the current division rule, the current division rule. So यहाँ पे आपको current division rule ही apply करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे voltage, the load voltage नहीं दिया गया है एंड इंड्यूस्ड वोल्टेज इन द ट्रांसफार्मर भी नहीं दिया गया है. आपको बस एक ही चीज करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज द करंट डिवीजन रूल. सो करंट डिवीजन रूल क्या है? करंट डिवीजन रूल IA इज इक्वल टू IL टाइम्स ऑफ ZB डिवाइडेड बाय ZA प्लस ZB. सो ZB बाय ZA प्लस ZB. ZB का वैल्यू क्या है? ZB इज 2.5 प्लस J5 एंड ZA प्लस ZB क्या हो जाएगा? 4.5 plus J8 into IL is how much? 1000, angle is minus 36.86 ampere. So IA का वैल्यू आप बता सकते हैं क्या होगा? IA का वैल्यू क्या होगा? It will be 2.5 plus 5I divided by 4.5 plus 8I into 1000 minus 36.86 RE. It will be 2.5 plus 5I divided by 4.5 plus 8I into 1000, angle is minus 36.86. सो इसका वैल्यू आया है 609.03, एंगल इज माइनस 34.06 एम्पियर. नाउ टेल मी IB क्या होगा? IB क्या होगा? IL टाइम्स ऑफ ZA बाय ZA प्लस ZB. सो ZA का वैल्यू क्या है? ZA का वैल्यू क्या है? ZA इज 2 प्लस J3, 2 plus J3 by 4.5 plus J8 into 1000 minus 36.86. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? सो IB का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 2 plus 3I divided by 4.5 plus 8I into 1000, angle minus 36.86. इसका वैल्यू है 392.81 minus 41.2 ampere. So which option is matching? Which option is matching here? Tell me. So option A is matching. So option A is matching. So the current supplied by the transformer A is 609.7 ampere and transformer B is 392.6 ampere. Okay. So this is about the question based upon the parallel operation. ठीक है. So hope all of you understood this question. Now till now we have covered 7 questions. So we started with the basics concept like MMF, equivalent circuit of the transformer. Also we discussed some question on the testing and the efficiency voltage regulation, that is the performance indices of the transformer. So voltage regulation and efficiency को आप collect combiningly क्या बोलते हैं? That is the performance indices of the transformer. We have completed all these basics and the performance indices. Now I discussed a question on the parallel operation and hope in the next class also I may discuss another question on the parallel operation of transformer, and then we'll move to the 3-phase transformer. So this is a very sequential order in order to revise the transformer topic. Okay, so hope all of you got the question and all of you got the question and getting my concept properly. So thank you for watching this video. Wish you all the best and God bless you.